A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is the mind that learns to bend light. Ladies and gentlemen, every mind seeks illumination, yet the journey toward inner radiance begins long before understanding ever forms. Human consciousness, restless, perceptive, endlessly reaching, has always sensed that light is more than a physical event. Cosmic light is pure. It radiates truth. Every sun is its conveying source, and the sun that anchors the solar system is also part of this vast cosmic majesty. Its energy sustains biological life, shapes rhythm, calibrates the circadian code, and silently illuminates consciousness. Carrying quantum characteristics, this light becomes a subtle communication channel between the human mind and the divine cosmic intelligence, the master designer of all order, life and law. Light in physics bends when it moves through a medium of changing density. The same phenomena governs perception. When the inner medium is dense with agitation, fear or distortion, thought refracts, insight fragments, reactions overshadow discernment, and clarity loses its path. But when the mind becomes transparent, steady, coherent, and inwardly ordered, light passes almost without deviation. This forms the essence of inner mastery, creating a mental atmosphere where truth travels unhindered. Ancient wisdom described this long before science found its language. Yogic literature speaks of manas, the subtle instrument that can either cloud awareness or refine it. Modern neuroscience echoes this. Deep focus reshapes neural pathways. Emotional coherence stabilizes the heart-mind field, and sustained awareness enhances cognitive thresholds. What sages intuited, research now measures. Yet, mastery is never force, it is alignment. A surface becomes a mirror only when it is smooth. Water reflects the sky only when it is still. Consciousness perceives truth only when it is balanced. Human thought becomes luminous when intuition and intelligence meet in harmony. Intuition giving direction and intelligence giving structure. When either becomes excessive, perception warps. When both synchronize, light bends toward clarity. At the deepest level, consciousness expands when it aligns with the architecture of the cosmos itself. When awareness, coherence and attunement form the axis of inner life, mirroring the solar axis aligned to the Milky Way's galactic axis, the finite gently resonates with the infinite. In that communion, wisdom, courage and compassion arise naturally. Strength flows back into the mind, direction becomes self-evident, purpose clarifies. Here, the mind bends light not to manipulate truth, but to focus upon what is righteous, purposeful and progressive. Every individual carries this potential. Consciousness is not a fixed structure but an evolving field. As inner density is reduced through stillness, reflection, sincerity and surrender, clarity begins to travel freely, revealing patterns that were always present but previously unseen. What's the way forward? The movement toward such clarity begins with simple disciplines, moments of mental quiet, recalibrate perception, exposure to uplifting ideas reduces internal turbulence. Solitude sharpens distinction between reaction and understanding. Gentle inquiry dissolves assumptions. Emotional steadiness anchors the inner medium. Over time, these small acts transform consciousness from a surface of ripples to a field of lucidity, where insight gathers on its own. In such a mind, light bends toward understanding, compassion, and elevated action. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, in the revealed Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna offers a timeless image of such steadiness. As the light of a lamp shines steadily in a windless place, so does the disciplined mind of the seeker of truth. A mind that learns to bend light reflects this very state, silent, stable, and aligned with the laws that govern all illumination. Such a mind not only illuminates itself, it becomes a quiet source of radiance for the world, timeless in essence and ageless in clarity. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.